Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, November 30, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. Nice to see you.
Hi, David. Good morning. You too?
Coffee time. My favorite part of the day.
Yes, I need coffee. Long night yesterday.
Why late work?
No family dinner. Kids talk a lot.
Huh, kids are fun. Mine too. Black coffee for me. Strong.
I take latte with milk.
Good. How was your weekend?
Relaxing walk in park. Yours?
Sales trip. Met clients. Tired now.
Clients happy?
Yes, big orders. Good news. Hey, did you check news today?
A little busy morning.
Big story. New Hampshire town.
What town?
Small town there. Kidney cancer cases. They spiked. Many people sick.
Spiked? More cases suddenly?
Yes. Doctors surprised. Boston Globe writes it.
Scary. Why so many?
They don't know. Check water, factories.
Maybe pollution, bad air, or chemicals?
Yes, people angry want answers.
Right. Government looks now?
Hope so. Tests on water. Think of families sad.
Very sad. Health is key.
True. In office we drink water too.
Our water's safe. Don't worry.
But makes me think. Sales in health? Maybe water filters.
Good idea. Clients buy filters?
Yes, pitch it tomorrow.
Smart. Now other news?
You tell one.
Electric vehicle CNN talks.
Evas, yes I saw.
Big push. Government wants more.
Controversy, why?
Price is high. Charging slow.
True, gas cars easy.
But electric better for Earth.
Green, clients ask for green.
My project's now green tech.
Good, sell AVE parts?
Maybe soon. Batteries improve.
Batteries expensive.
Yes, but factories make cheaper.
China leads in batteries.
US pushes back new factories.
Jobs come, good for economy.
Yes, but old car workers worry.
Change hard, like our software update.
Yes, everyone complains.
But now we like it.
True, Ava, same. Time needed.
I test drive one, quiet.
Quiet good, no noise.
Fast two, 0 to 60, quick.
Nice, buy one?
Maybe next year, price down.
Smart wait. Now politics news.
What?
Imran Khan, Pakistan. Arrested again, CNN reports.
Imran Khan, ex-prime minister?
Yes, big news there.
Why arrest?
Corruption charges. Politics fight.
Always drama in Pakistan.
Military involved maybe.
Power games, bad for business.
Yes, trade unstable.
Our sales to Asia, careful.
Projects delay if unrest.
Protests now?
Yes, supporters angry.
Like here elections, tense.
But peaceful here.
Lucky stable markets.
Good for sales teams.
Yes, close deals easy.
Imran Khan popular?
Was cricket star first.
Cricket, fun sport?
Yes, hero there.
Now jail, sad story.
Politics tough, up and down.
Like projects, sometimes fail.
Restart new one.
Exactly, learn from it.
Coffee almost gone.
Yes, break in soon.
Back to desk.
Yes, meeting at 10.
Me too. Client call.
Good luck.
You too. Crush that project.
Thanks. See you later.
Have a great day.
You too, bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.